Today I was invited to provide a workshop for the career services at FCT to talk about the importance of networking and how it can help international students building and growing their career paths in Canada. Hi everyone, my name is Karoline Duarte. I am Strategic Project Manager at Gus Canada Colleges. Since FCT has a lot of programs that connect students with a global community, such as project management, global business management, and supply chain, and the students already come from an international background, I believe that coming to a place where you can exchange the experiences from different countries and connect with what you're learning in classroom to build your portfolio of knowledge in Canada is a strength that FCT is working to promote for our students.
Today was my first workshop. I came here at FCT. So it was very interesting because I started to learn how we can connect with different persons. So it's important to know in this world we have to have a different connections. So that's the reason why I came here, because now I want to try to find a work to give me the opportunity to start to grow up with my previous career I have in my home country with the career I'm doing right now here in Canada.
Majority of international students wonder how it is to transition their careers from their home countries to Canada, and I believe by sharing my experience on how much I connected through my college connections, my friends, and some connections in the industry, I believe that they should be more confident to build their own paths here in the country.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria Pacevallos Contreras. I'm from Quito, Ecuador. I'm studying business here at FCT. So I can say today the event was super great because I understand how important it is to create a new networking also inside and outside the industry of the college, because with that we can grow up in different ways and also we can communicate for future works. Thank you.